Hello traders. Today is the 19th of October 2010, and happy trading to you all. We wish you a very, very happy trading day and a trading week. Okay, so as you can see here, we have our lovely crazy currency pair. Which one is the crazy currency pair? All the TST W24 traders. Uh, knows which one is the crazy currency pair, the dollar yen currency pair, not because it's difficult to trade, but because of the mess that people are creating in the market right now. We know that there is a conflict between the technical analysis and the market sentiment right now, where the majority of traders, according to the Fed intention to print more dollar, there is a bearish pressure on the dollar. So majority of traders are selling the dollar and are buying other currencies. So that's why you see the USD yen going down big time. Okay, it was in this bearish channel here, the biggest bearish season, where everybody was selling, selling, making money. Sell here, buy here, sell here, sell here, buy here. Okay, and sell here. Okay, that's what they were doing ping pong here. Okay, and this game here was ended right there where I put the spotlight. Okay, if so to speak. The Japanese government intervened on one Sunday. I was here, and it just went boom, 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 boom up, and Monday continued nicely. Okay, 2 days candle, biggest move. Okay, nice one. Now, but the good thing is that that day I was here looking for opportunity. Like I say, I stopped selling the dollar for a while. Okay, I stopped selling it before that, and I was only looking for opportunity to buy when I see a triple green signal. Okay, on the 30-minute chart or on the 60-minute chart, I'll take it. Okay, but the problem with this currency pair, when you enter those triple green signal, which is a bullish signal from the TSTW34 trading system, a clear cut entry point, you have to switch back to the 5-minute chart in order to observe carefully what is going on, especially for this crazy currency pair, because because of the market sentiment that is in conflict with the technical analysis. So when you enter the bullish signal on the, not on the 5-minute, not on the 3-minute, not on the 10-minute, but on the 30-minute chart, on the 60-minute chart, because of the personality of this currency pair only. That's what I'm saying, that I try in order to control the risk. Okay, you have to control the risk. I take it on the 30-minute chart, triple green, or triple green on the 60-minute chart. Then I switch to the 5-minute chart to observe what's going on. So if there is a change going on, I can come out of it clean without creating too much mess to my account. Okay, so right there, I was that day here. It was Sunday night, and I see a clear cut. It looks very interesting for me. A clear cut buying signal. Okay, a triple green signal, and I switch to the 5-minute chart. I got my entry point, and then I just enter two positions. Okay, because normally I do not trade in the night, but it was nearly midnight Eastern time, and because of this currency pair only, I decided to place to trade, and I was, no, no, it was before midnight Eastern time, okay, because it was London midnight instead, okay, around that time. I was here, and now I was placed those two trades, okay, and I was just watching, and suddenly the price just ran off. I mean, in the proper sense of the word, ran off big time, okay, because of Japanese intervention that day, okay. And I took my profit because I know that this currency is a bit crazy. And Monday, the same thing continued nicely to the upside, okay. And because I know that this currency pair has been oversold for some time, okay, and people should not be selling it. That's my personal view. We have a responsibility not to crash the market and or crash any tradable at all, okay, or crash any company or crash any stock, or whichever way you see it, whether you are buying so much excessively. If you buy excessively, you can crash the market. Okay, if you sell excessively, you can crash also the market. So we have a responsibility not to do that. So, but then the price went up. This is why I put the spotlight. This is a major event. You must pay attention to that. Never ever forget that. Another thing you need to remember is, bear with me, please. Now, this level here, where the price went to that particular day, the price went to 8590. Yeah, yeah, this region, in the region of 8590, call it 8590. The price went to that level. You must never forget that level. I'll quickly draw a horizontal line for you for this crazy currency pair, the 8590. Remember that level carefully. Okay, write it in your diary, write it on your wall, write it on your computer screen. 8590 for the dollar. The dollar will come back and seek that level. Okay, so this is the daily historic daily chart of the dollar yen. And if we go to a 50-minute chart as today, okay, it looks to me like many traders have taken my advice, okay, and stop selling the dollar. Okay, as you can see, it's going up right now, but don't be surprised if this thing again start changing direction. But we will see. Hopefully today you will have a nice day. Okay, the trend line is up on this 15-minute chart. Okay, so we'll monitor that carefully. If you want to monitor this more carefully, you need to go to the 5-minute chart, because you are already in the trend, and then you monitor it from here, and to see clearly what's going on. If they are trying to come out again because of the market sentiment, start selling big time, you take a little bit of profit at least. Okay, and then you are happy about that. Very important. Okay, trading must be enjoyed. Very important. So this is my 5-minute chart. I'm going to switch back to the 1440 minute, which is 60 minutes time 24 days. Okay, this is it. And I want to show you something very simple here, talking about the market geometry. Okay, I talked about this once. Okay, I know this is in the arsenal of professional traders. They use this more time. This is the diagonal. Okay, the market moved from this level since the intervention of the Japanese government all the way to this level here. We must pay attention to this session here, and the price level that I showed you before, 8590, very important. Okay, and the low of this level also, we need to mark it down. And the price crashed it. Okay, it crashed it and went below it. Okay, so we need to draw also our horizontal line, because this is a major event that the market cannot forget. I'll draw it here instead of at the bottom of the candle. Okay, it's not very clear, my horizontal line here. Okay, so these levels, we have to mark it down. We will wait for, you see this session here where the candle went up now into this level here. We'll wait for the price. If the price come back and into this box again, you see this box here. Okay, this horizontal line all the way here, this horizontal line all the way here, close here by this candle here. If the dollar come back and close in this box here, we know that there is a bit of market change. Okay, we observe whether it will be supported, okay, in this box here. If it's supported in this box here, the next target, I will show you what will happen there. Now, if it come back, we are expecting the dollar to come back. My arrow, I have to change all this so that you can see. It's not clear at all. Forgive me, but because I'm doing it now, I'm not going to stop. Forgive me, gentlemen. It's not very clear right now. Okay, so we are expecting the dollar to come back to this level here, the low of this candle here, where my cursor is rotating. Okay, either to break it above it and find a support, or to break above it and fail to find a support and crash back down, or to find a resistance right there, only to continue the movement to the downside as it's happening already. Okay, because of the Fed intention to print more dollar, people are very bearish. Do not forget that, even though we want to buy. Okay, so triple green only on the 30 or 60 minutes, switching back to the 5-minute chart to monitor carefully what's going on. If the dollar get back into this box here, what I call the balance zone, okay, the balance zone, okay, and if you find a support here, then the next target will be the ultimate 8590, which will be a very important resistance level. This level here, what I will do, I will definitely look for opportunity to sell. If the dollar come to 8590, that will be the first attempt. When it come to that level, 8590 will be the first attempt of the dollar to touch this level, to retest this level. So I believe if it come for the first time, it will fail, or it will break it and come back down and fail before coming back and retest the middle. I hope you are following me here. I will draw the middle of this box here. Bear with me. I will draw it here so that we know exactly what is going on. This is not a science, this is technical analysis. We must pay attention to the news, to the general market sentiment, okay, and to the fundamental. You cannot just use the technical to do your own thing in the market. That's not right. Okay, so we know that people should sell the dollar, because if the Fed is going to continue with the quantitative easing, which means printing more dollar, the dollar will go down. But because this dollar is completely oversold, the bear has started getting a bit edgy now. They'll start closing their position because of fear and all the things. So we go into their mind, they will start taking profit because they make nice money. Okay, I'll stop for selling it for a while. I don't want to sell anymore. Even if I see a clear cut selling signal, I'm not taking it. Now we're expecting, now pay attention, I'm talking a bit too much, forgive me. So now we're expecting the dollar from this level where it is now on my special daily chart to continue the movement and retest the low of this candle here, which is this level here. And you will find either resistance or cross above it and find a support, or fail again and come back down. Okay, if you find a support into the box, the next level, the middle section of the box will be the next target. And then I believe you will crash it, and it will break it easily, the middle section. But the top section, which is right here, you will find a resistance layer and to come back down. So we're expecting, if I draw my arrow again, this is not the arrow, it will bear with me, please. Bear with me, please. Bear with me, please. It will continue the movement, okay, to this level here. We expect it to come there, and then only to find a resistance a little bit, to come back and retest the middle section before breaking it up, and then retest it again, and then zoom in back up again. Okay, I hope this is not to focus the market, but to try to see exactly ahead of us what is the probability of the movement of this currency pair. But this is not a certainty, but a probability, considering the market sentiment, okay, the reality of each day, each week, each month, each quarterly, and the economic condition of the United States and the rest of the world, and the Chinese respond to the accusation that they are manipulating their currency pair. Okay, I hope you find this video useful, that you put into practice in order to cream the market consistently. Okay, until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Thank you.